secure the desired band score. But how? This set of questions, obviously, it comes in our mind. The answer to these questions, I'm here with this video. This video is dedicated vividly and entirely to those Ielts and PT test takers generally who are thinking to do the best in the final test. By the way,
Let's learn Phrasolia to 3 with Bin and Shah.
therefore, without ado, let's get started. The first tip, test format. You need to understand the test format properly as you are preparing Ielts or PTE. Knowing the test formats means knowing about what to prepare and in which way. To get its format, you may go into the video's description. The second tip, practice as much as you need. Of course, as it was said, practice makes a man perfect. It won't be fruitful until the practice is not done perfectly. So, we need to do perfect practice. Perfect practice makes a test taker perfect. Obviously, you need to hit to format, do it accordingly, analyze and identify your shortcomings. Similarly, minimize your shortcomings. Do practice within time frame because mind management is as important as time management in the test. The third tip, boost up vocabulary. Here, you need to enhance your lexical resources on various topics like traveling, science and technology, food, marketing, literature, and so on and so forth. Go through some idioms, collocations, likewise make a list of such words in your note copy. Go through it, practice them, use those words with friends in day-to-day life. Use those words in your writing practice. Never hesitate to practice them. In such a way, if you go, obviously, you will have your desired band score. The fourth tip, be studious at English grammar. Now it's the time to know to use various sentence structures like simple sentence, round sentence, complex sentence, if sentences, moreover rhetorical questions, WH questions, interrogative questions. Likewise, use connectives, linking words, speak and write grammatically correct. Now anyway, you may be thinking how to know these all and how to use them in grammatically correct, how to improve these all things. Is it possible? Obviously, in this case, you may need to consult concerned instructor. The fifth tip, be confident. Before the test, build up your confidence level up. But how? Then you need to fall in love. What? Yes, what are you thinking of? You need to fall in love with your career. As you are preparing Ielts or PT, then you must take them up to your keen interest. You need to be a bit mad with your work. Day and night, you are supposed to practicing and going on and on. Result will be in your hand. Trust me, I am sharing these all based on my first-hand experience. Remember, making a plan is an exercise of imagination, but its implementation is a struggle with reality. So, you need to do it, implement it, get your desired band score in Ielts and PT test. By the way, best of luck. Thank you.